Good evening, my name is Joshua Wijaksono. Today I want to explain about discourse analysis. The title is SpongeBob SquarePants cartoon. Before I explain about this cartoon, I was a lot of memories when I was a child, especially when I'm going to school before and after, and then I'm very excited about this cartoon, and my parents doesn't like about the cartoon where until I am when senior high school. I little remember it. So this cartoon is a lot of memories for me. Next, discuss about the discourse analysis SpongeBob SquarePants cartoon. And this cartoon have a lot of contents which can be divided about the cartoon, especially the type of communication. So the cartoon SpongeBob SquarePants not only about conversation, but the cartoon the cartoon are a lot of contents like as I said before, conversation and have a joke and satire. Satire is a lot of contents in the cartoon and a lot of message about the cartoon. So the visual about the cartoon, comparison between old season and new season is so far, because the old season, in my opinion, still is work better and characterized in the cartoon is balanced, and I think the old season about the visual is very better than new season, because where I compare with the new season, every character the new season in SpongeBob SquarePants is totally complete different, and the animation of the compare with new season is, I think, is worse new season than old season, because compare old season, the animation is still worth it to watch, and the conversation or the setting is the old season is not worse if compared with the new season. Then the setting about the new season is terrible for me, and also have seen brutal in the dialogue SpongeBob. So the visual about the character SpongeBob SquarePants cartoon, the best version is old season. Next, discussion about the communication in the SpongeBob SquarePants character. It a lot of many conversation about, not conversation, but also have a joke and satire and a lot of message, and many so on can find in the cartoon. And when I was a child is didn't find about the joke from the cartoon, but after I grow up I realized many some find about the jokes and the cartoon SpongeBob cartoon. For example, from the old season, Squidward make an event in the restaurant. The name restaurant is Krusty Krab, and he is like what is Indonesia pidato, and he says there's the show nepotism is really happen, and the pet and the character SpongeBob Patrick is longing for Squidward action. Squidward standing on the stage because the Patrick is now the meaning. Squidward says, nepotism in the government, like in the real, to relate it in the real life. And not only about it, it's a lot of many joke, conversation, and also satire. As I said before, Squidward Pidatos is satire for me. And the next example, the jokes, and the next example, jokes about when the character her name is Sandy, went to Texas, and actually SpongeBob and Patrick got surprised for her to doesn't allow go to Texas, and the scenes I've realized the conversation about the jokes from the SpongeBob to Patrick. The conversation like, look Patrick, what I am? Stupid? No, I am Texas. What is different? And this is the one of jokes about in the SpongeBob SquarePants cartoon. And there are two person actually. It doesn't mean to what is it? Doesn't mean to worse the city. Was the city Sandy is going, but that is just a joke. Just a joke, and the two person have surprise for Sandy with a prank. So that's one of jokes is very hilarious for me in the scenes. And for example, in the scenes at the restaurant, the name restaurant is Krusty Krab, with the boss, his name is Mr. Krab. Mr. Krab as a boss, and his personality is annoying and selfish. It doesn't matter about the environment. Just only advertise for his business. I mean only his advantage for his restaurant. Like example, the dialogue he says, money is very sweet than honey. So that is the describe about how to the employees selfish about the rich, and careless about the society, especially the employer, like two person work at the restaurant, Squidward Tentacles and SpongeBob SquarePants. The two characters is opposite comparison. the Squidward is described as related in real life. He is work a lot hard, but is never get a payment. And compared with SpongeBob, he never mad, but is love about his job at the restaurant. Even though he get cheat with the boss. So as you know, in the cartoon SpongeBob SquarePants, there's a lot of many type of communication we can as I can explain. And as I said before, the example, there is a lot of can be discussion in the SpongeBob SquarePants. And I think the end of my video about the SpongeBob cartoon, and actually I can more explain about the SpongeBob cartoon, but I think this enough. Thank you for the attention and see you guys.